Eya. Ghana entertainment industry. Bacho fasoso mame. Eya. Nana Romeo. Dodo na munim no montage ne mame. Eya. Nana Romeo enya opportunity eba OKFM radio station hono. Ana obe replace Abeku Santana no. Oka asem bi. Nana Romeo eka se ebeya empanimfo a Shattawale akase tia omo no. Ebeya onya reconciliation na omofa yie entu yie. Nana Romeo no masem no onya opportunity ba OKFM for asem a oka ye no. The videos are there. Nana Romeo experience a wo ewo entertainment industry mu. Asema ba sabi akwadaa na owo mu no de ntia me use akwadaa na owo mu ne say ye can Ghana entertainment industry a untimi mfa Erica and compare Shattawale sabi Erica no afei na ofefe afei na osua agro no afei na odi line so a opeja untimi mfa Erica and compare Shattawale ewo Ghana entertainment industry mu or men will be BM. And until I use akwadano. Sabi akwadano abba o platform so. Nana Romeo, we are experienced person. Platform now what is no. Una who preach respect. Platform now what is no. Who preach respect. Why you what dear in every what can one say in every we interview in year ye na ye we ni ye waso ye tiri ni na akosi. Ye hu de na o patchere. Yate wase. Na mom no se wo timi bie wa no kase. Aboa preko de. Nana Romeo, wan kasa ye. Sa asem na wo kan ye no, se wo pese Shattawale ba bonten be pampanimfo bi achewa. E wo se wo di kan ba bonten be bu nkotodwe e be pa Shattawale achew. For sa asem no, sa ebe na ubu ye no. Me who video no, amafo asend ya mamia. But the me say me little background research about you. And me who say sabi akan kasa nye wo enye wo mother tongue. But unim kasa ne ka. What kasa no? But ekwan na ofa so use sa be no. E kire say enyoma mienu whether o share da say wo disrespect Shattawale because oba platform ne so for no can say bi e bi Shatta anye enu nti no wo de ne ho yaw ne ho bufuo ahye omu eno ye one ana say ebe na ubu ye no onti ase ana we enye say wo kan kire obia akankasa ye kasa emu odupa anu nti no say wo ka ana say odi akankasa ebu be na wo nye badwen ma nipa na wo kan ho asem no whether you like it or not obehu. Nana Romeo utimi tena OKFM eka asem we kire Shattawale u yusu preko e de ma Shattawale sa asem na wo ka kire Shattawale no sa ebe na ubu ye no because Erica no dia na de ne ba studio ho ye nyina enim so one Shattawale banta no enkoma amudi ye no na efa de ho efa ntokwa na ekoso ne ho untimi nka asem fufuro bia untimi nka asem fufuro bia nkire ye nye nkwada. And until catch akwada ne say on chaso na aboa preko de we ye den obey ni hufia. Do you know the meaning of that? Masa o hwe na akankasa no on ti ase a memfa nye program e wo show ni so sabi Mr. Abeku Santana atena platform so over the years I build the audience ama station no one for platform no amedane akutiabo one for platform no amedidi empanimfo atem one for platform no I'm a disrespected ye legends and unti se nyame adom o se Ghana na ana eya o Ghana o eya obi be brand ho abuildi bibi ye de hye obi nsema kuntan no obese ade ni nyina sa asem na wo kan ye no sa be na ubu woni Erica interview no Nana Romeo Brabonten ebe pa chew bebu nkoto je be pa Shattawale ene na busuafo nyina achew because asem na wo kan ye no what did ni maame ne papa ne busuafo nyina atem Shattawale ene Erica entokwa no Uhu bibia anim. Ajimu jene. Uhu bibia anim. Odi empa ne wo saa Shattawale ne yi no. Uhu ehfa na Shattawale ebo wakutia e wo ne Erica situation wem. Bra bonten beka. Mamo nye saa de no. Ye po obi a Shattawale ene Erica asemi obetimi kura aka bia na upro platform na Erica te so no. Unim kwan a platform no fa so ye kese. Nana koye research na koye kwan a kojo Sheldon etimi building numbers audience koye previous videos a kojo Sheldon akọ different platforms so obo Shattawale abaso for the support abra na all fefe enu nti se na asema ba na sabi u senior boy o te platform kakaka we so wato nsa afore akwada na ba adenti na won kan kye ne se empanifo se bibi ankoka bibi nye bibi so we professional na sabi se wadwene mu do a asamba no obi ba also otumi na ye den mami oh ene ona odi kan ko kan say wa anya de ene ani diem use me platform yi na pa Shattawale achew na sabi ono so nsema oka che ono o me retract no me pa achew eno na che se we senior boy eno na che se oh wisdom but enko ba se wo no be ye ho dua broni abebubu be hey nana Romeo na wani na hosa dabi kuntan ne ya doso kuntan no ya doso Mr. Beku Santana den to boasie respect love pure talent creativity and I hold that platform no for that period now sabi ene nyankopon apagya na kɔ empempen so foforo odi ama wo no papa mo ani na ho ma wani na ho ma wani ena ho asem na wo ka ye no ebe na ubu ye no wan kasa ye e wo se wo ba bonten ebebu nkotodwe na wo pa Shattawale achew one ne family nyina se akani ebube e de preko bube a wote asesen nana Romeo ebe na obu ye no wote asesen na wani na hosa eja he on se eto da bia wan hwe ya on te Shattawale ase on se nyoma we mu no esi a on na odwene kwa akire a obetima se no anyoma na sabi wale ye no almost 99.9% right because environment na yede wale atumu no and I say environment now Shattawale finds himself now no the only thing na a bit mama na survival war atoda bi on se metrasi din na mehwe Shattawale activities any kwan of so ne personalities any media houses enya banta on mitimi hu say no without sadie no wale nya dia obe survive because sabi omo atumi na kodi omu nsem e wo Ghana entertainment industry no they don't deserve to be there they don't deserve to be there platforms no mintimi hu so omu dia drone na ye managers ne me form mo kwatena ho se den yo me dwene ho amenti ase because there is nothing creative about these people. See, so obi a creative person pa. And Nana Romeo platform where you no. Call like a year now. And then now why so creative for ama the whole Ghana ye can want them. E bini ho. Bibi on say me say ase we me nya can do. Most of the people no ma be can time. Entertainment industries in Ghana entertainment industry ni su nyina no. Na omu dream ni say omba pilot. Ebi mu be accountant, ebi mu be lawyers, ebi mu be doctors, ebi mu be nurses. Na sabi oma ntimi because wahu oma ntimi. Ano mu tu oma ni no. Industry na epono na no entertainment. Ano mu nyina abewrem. Ento mu ba ye no omo the bitterness ana abaw. These people are not creatives. They don't know anything about entertainment. There is nothing entertaining about these people. And you know, near also we say, so we a creative person, we a genius, we are talented. Now we you be on from on krana. The only thing they will do is to attack you. Say you meet me and your attention. Now I can talent to pass a yepe. Radio presenters who are talented omo ba radio ni so omo entertaining audience man obi ani je time ni so people want to go there and listen to them, watch them. Metaphor senya dra, these people wouldn't have access to these platforms. Edian pa na komodi omodi be ko hono mo de mon kan kre edian pa na ke be ma obi ti se na Romeo enya sa platform na otes no o de edian mommy and kind of credit and a bit a man ya fan say or uncle hosted drive time was a day a casa and I said and I said oh you're entertaining and I said day be piano baby and you make kakono I think say it was a shattawale and a shatta movement and start to use cancel culture. I was say shattawale money fans who says so we are loyal to him. They have to apply cancel culture in Ghana entertainment industry. I think say no ebema encrophobia who said no. They cannot sit on their platform and talk anyhow. Now say Bonah boy, Bibia America forcing no, Papa, the no, and chaye nyane kwano no. Adia omodia chen Bonah boy aso cancel culture. Ni shows no no cry ma biem. Ko jona tonyum because without us no ube hu se we Bonah boy so obeko ubetuma ko horse na kotonyum na. Ampa cancel culture ni ye adwuma no. Ask yourself, shows are aka nyina be 7 shows in America. Bonah boy me no ka say wa cancel shows ni nyina. Shatta movement no, they have to know their power now. Say no krese they love shattawale. Anna mefan say omune what the majority of Ghanaians in the Ghana entertainment industry near oda shatta movement no. Also who kwan obe mobilize omu nyina. Now oma use to cancel culture to their advantage. I think say enu the only thing ebetimi ama these people no kasa they will talk with wisdom. Nenko yo mafu. On se sa kwa de any stanto ye interview bi. During the interview, ni sa kwa de kasa ye onkrofobia ho a they don't even qualify to talk about musicians in Ghana. Sa asem no sa kwa de kan no Ghana for twen edidi na tem kan se mebre but ya ante ase. Nana Romeo pa de na wa yama Ghana entertainment industry a otimi tena na platform so e use preko edipu be etia shattawale. Dear pana, dear Nana Romeo ayama Ghana entertainment industry. Dear pa omra bonte meka. Dear na yes Nana Romeo why ye bibia match say aye beneficial to the Ghana entertainment industry. E dear pa no aye. Artist Ben na Nana Romeo manage na yesi odrum pempenso bi e okoje Grammys e bi mada. Dear pa na Nana Romeo di radio aye bi ma wiase da. O ya son kwa didi no. Edien. He. Erica no. Nia ekoso no. Eni mo amuta na chi nyina. Obi anfa penny pipa no mo dating to. Akwada na hu how biased the system is. Until now no who say hey sabi me na me kokan nipa no me na me di kan kokan na asem ekodidi one ne fans atem ana sabi shattawale nso hu say without ne fans no onye obia enti so abeka ne fans asem obe attack you. Wale showed 100% love and protection for the fans. Ni nyina Erica no onim nyese onimo oye nipa onim. Oye nipa onim. Baby Erica Adru no. Sabi onim papa ne bone. Na asemi ba ye no. wakoko Ghana fo nyina bu omani agu de ono ye ne so na emom obia e ba sheta na emom obia e ba she Shattawale won anim no akwada na hu se ha say na ye industry ni tie okay ha me say because of Aisha Modi nti on say obi tena platform bi so e disrespect Shattawale because of ebi a artist bi because of platform bi because of bibia me enye me wanwa wodo wode beba say na de Shattawale de na aba na ye nyina ye ka I don't refi o man kofa this guy akọ ne ma TikTok ya MCI ye bo akofa ne ba Peace FM entertainment show so wa metena ma disrespect Shattawale obaye but the right time no hwenia ode ye Mr. Kwesi Aboache oba Oba aba bonten abe disrespect bema onka no abe kan sem poto afa one ne fans ho oba no aba won ho oba no aba wo studio woni oba no atena se wo ye bema wantimi and defend onua bema wo kota oba na chi aka kire oba ne se ontwa ntokwa ne so na aboa preko de Nyame onfa abone nchew. Nyame fa abone nchew. Yo. Ghana entertainment industry. Therefore, sha. Nia yede ye Shattawale ne no. Emre bi ba. Yede bi be ye obia. But se sa time ne so a ye nyina ye betena se na ya hwe bi un use learn fire na wa control ma medofo wo hwe nioma bebre me mpese me kasa bebre un register learn fire use Bonah BONAH as your promo code and I say or referral code uya oba bedamase. I'm telling you before God and man. And I don't know more America, more person within your free ho, eba Ghana no. Box Oak Logistics. Fre almost say, see, and I catch them say, and I'm the BonahShow, so now tea omunka. Or match out 10% discount. Be bia percent with the free America, echo Ghana biano. O free o ma. O mo beba ofia be box in your man kama. I shepe asum yema could do Ghana amount. I'm out.